Meet the next generation of fire with the Campstove 2. A portable wood-burning stove that creates smokeless flames while generating usable electricity so you can cook your meals and charge your devices all at the same time. Now with updated thermoelectrics, the Campstove 2 provides 50% more power than the Campstove 1 and incorporates an onboard battery so you can store your electricity for whenever you need it. The updated LED interface provides real-time feedback on what's going on inside and features 4 fan speeds to control the size of your fire. Integrate with BioLite accessories for a perfect camp kitchen that you can bring anywhere. And anytime you go off-grid with BioLite, you're helping us bring safe, reliable energy to households around the world. Clean energy is all around us. We just need the right tools to unlock it. Discover a smarter, cleaner campfire with the Campstove 2, part of the BioLite energy ecosystem.
Today we are talking about the Jetboil Zip. The Zip is a tried and true classic, and it's based on Jetboil's original PCS design. The great thing about unregulated systems like the Zip is it harnesses every ounce of flux ring technology. And that means you get ultra efficiency and rapid boiling for 3-season performance. It weighs just 12 ounces, and you can actually store a 100-gram jet power can, the burner, and the fuel stabilizer in here. An adjustable 4,500 BTU burner and flux ring technology help keep the Zip super efficient. It'll boil 500 milliliters or 2 cups of water in just 2.5 minutes. And one of these 100-gram jet power cans will let you boil up to 12 liters of water depending upon conditions. Now, match ignition also keeps the Zip super reliable and super simple. And what's match ignition? Well, you can also think of it as BYOB, bring your own Bic lighter. It comes with a 0.8 liter or 27 fluid ounce flux ring cooking cup and an insulated cozy. That makes it the perfect size for 1 or 2 people. It's also got all the features you'd expect from Jetboil, like a pour spout in the lid and then a bottom cover that actually doubles as a measuring cup or a bowl. So you've got everything you need to make a meal right here included with the Zip system. So all in all, the Zip is perfect for anybody looking for a lightweight and reliable cooking system that gives you everything you need and nothing you don't.